Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Savan Kumar, and let us continue talking about sales. When we talk about sales, there is another one word that is really important, without which any sales would not be possible. Without this particular word, no sales would ever get closed. No business would ever happen. No business would ever function. No business would ever make money. And this small word, which we really give least importance to in today's time, we give the least importance to this word, but this is the only word that makes a business succeed, that makes sales happen. And this simple and easy word is trust. Yes, trust. This is when the sales happen. Only when the customer starts trusting you is when he is now getting to a place where he will be willing to give you his money. But in today's time, when we have so much of negativity all around us, normally whenever we start a communication, it starts with a lot of negativity. It starts with a sense of distrust. At the very first instance, the customer who is coming to you has a lot of negatives in his mind. Why he should not be believing you, why he should not be trusting you. He has a lot of his own reasons why he should not be trusting you, why he should not be buying the product from you, why he should not be giving the money to you. He has a lot of negativity, and you as a good salesman, it is your job to change that negativity into positivity. So you have to pull him up from being highly negative. Only when that customer from being highly negative is brought to a median, and then is turned into being highly positive, is when the sales is going to happen. If you think that if you let him be negative, if you let him not trust you, it is not at all important to you, it does not matter, you are here to make sales, trust is the least important thing, then you are wrong. You are not being a good salesman. You are not able to close the sales. That is how important trust is, and that is how important you need to figure out how you can build that trust. And when I talk about building a trust, or this lack of trust that the customer normally has at the very first instance, that can only be built by what we discussed in the last video, that was about agreeing to the customer. When you start agreeing to the customer, you start building a rapport with the customer, that you and the customer are on the same page. And when you and your customer are on the same page, there is highest probability that he would start trusting you. He would start believing you in whatever you are saying. So, agreeing to the customer is the first step that you take towards removing that lack of trust or building that sense of trust with the customer. You know what? Who blows the sales? Because of whose mistake do you think the sales never gets closed? Most of the times, we happen to blame it to the customers. The customer was not good, he was so finicky, he was so weird, he did not have the money. We blame it all the times to the customer. But when actually the sales was blown off because of you. The sale gets blown off because of the salesman and not because of the customer. The customer had come to you to be closed, to be sold, to get sold. He gave so much of time to you because he was willing to buy something that you were selling. But only because you were not able to sell him, only because you were not able to build that bridge of trust, he gave you some objection. He gave you some reason to not buy from you, where the actual reason was that you were not able to make him trust you. You were not able to make him trust on your product. You were not able to take the money from his pocket and put it in your pocket. You failed. You failed. Your customer never failed. You failed in convincing him how good the product was. You failed him on making him use your product or your service. You failed. Your customer never failed. It is the salesman who fails, and the lack of trust is the one thing that makes him fail. If you give that amount of importance, if you start giving that amount of importance or that kind of importance to building trust, you would never fail. You'd always end up having a good customer and a good friend for yourself. Wish you all the very best in becoming the best salesman. Have a good day.